Students, today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is autoboxing and unboxing. So students, we need to understand that every primitive data type in Java has got an associated wrapper class. All right, like int is there, so its wrapper class is integer. Okay. Similarly, char is there, so character is there. Float is there, so float is also wrapper class, but f will be capital. Okay, so let's move towards the topic, auto boxing, the automatic conversion of primitive data types into its equivalent wrapper type. Remember, wrapper type or wrapper class type, you may say, is known as auto boxing. It's a very simple process. You can see here that I have written here class boxing x is the name of the class, and then in the main function what is there, that integer type variable a is there. So int a, it is initialized with value 50, so 50 is assigned to a. So int a assignment operator 50 semicolon. After that, students, we have uh, another very important statement where I am having this wrapper class of int, and wrapper class name is integer. You can see the I is capital, and I'm creating the object of this wrapper class type object, that is a2. Assignment operator new integer, that's a constructor, and in through that I have passed this a. Now a is passed, so this primitive type has been converted to the wrapper class type. It is as simple as that. After that, you can see here, so this is auto boxing. After that, what I have done, I have written just plain integer a3, another variable of type integer, right? And I'm giving it a plain value 5. So 5 is here what? It's a value which is of int type. It's being assigned to a3, which is of type integer wrapper class. Okay, and it is working well. So this is also an example of auto boxing. Now after that, when we use the system dot out dot println a2 plus space a3. All right, so through a2 what will be printed? 50, because a was passed here, so 50 will be there, and with a3 the output will be 5, because 5 was given to a3. So whenever the conversion is from primitive to wrapper class type, so it will be auto boxing. Now we come to unboxing. Unboxing is just opposite of the auto boxing. So what is here? The automatic conversion of wrapper class type into, what I said, the automatic conversion of wrapper class type into corresponding primitive type is called unboxing. Now again the example, you can see here a class unboxing x, curly brace open, public static void main. Inside that function main, we have integer I equal to new integer, in the bracket I have passed 50. So 50 has become what? Right, this is auto boxing, because 50 is the primitive type and it is being assigned to the wrapper class type. But now I want to perform what? Unboxing. So in that case, what I will do, this I, which is of which type variable? Integer type, that's a wrapper class. So that I is being assigned to a, which is of int type. So this is unboxing. And when we print, means system dot 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 println, in the parenthesis a is there. So what will be the output? Output will be 50. All right, I hope everybody has a clear idea. Very, very simple definition. All right, and try to understand it better through the example. Thanks everyone.